Hello, boys and girls. Yesterday we learned all about a circle. Remember, a circle has 0 sides and 0 corners or vertices. So today we're going to learn all about triangles. We're going to learn how many sides and vertices it has and what it looks like. So we're going to watch this video to learn more about triangles, and we will also do an activity to sort circles and triangles. Here we go. What shape is traced here? A triangle was traced. What does a triangle look like? I noticed I could count how many sides it has. All of the lines are straight lines, unlike our circle where it was round. Let's count how many sides. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. It also has 3 vertices. Another word for vertices is corners. So right here is the vertice. Let's count how many it has. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what's going to happen next. Look at this picture. What is the arrow pointing to? It's a triangle. Okay, so we're going to do our activity real quick to see if we can tell the difference between a circle and a triangle. So here are our objects, and I have to put them in the right box. So I see this one. Let's look at it. Is this going to go with a circle or a triangle? I see there are no sides and it's round, so that must be a circle. Okay, let's look at this one. Oh, I see some straight lines. Let's count how many sides. 1, 2, 3. That means it must be a triangle. Oh, here the arrow. What's the arrow pointing to? Oh yeah, the sail, we just saw that, and we're learning about triangles. I'm gonna move it here. Oh, and this one again, I see 3 straight lines, and I also see 3 corners or 3 vertices. So I'm gonna move that to the triangle. Oh, here's our flying disc from yesterday. What shape was our flying disc? A circle, you're right. There are no sides and no vertices. Oh, and we've got one more. Again, no sides and no vertices, so it must be a circle. Nice job, boys and girls. Thank you for helping me sort between our circles and our triangles. Let's watch the rest of our video. The arrow is pointing to a white sail on a sailboat. What shape is the sail? You're right, it's the shape of a triangle. How do you know it's the shape of a triangle? It has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, and 3 vertices, 1, 2, 3. Good. What's the name of this shape again? A triangle. Nice job, boys and girls.